Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are gonna take something new and something that you will definitely love because it will open a lot of doors for you guys. Now in this video we are gonna take the math operators, okay, and the math operators, for example the division, the subtraction, the plus sign, so on and so forth. So guys, for example, if someone asks you to create a program that calculates two numbers together, okay, so it's impossible without the math operators. Now instead of talking a lot, I'm gonna put everything in action. So I'm gonna create var. I'm gonna name it, for example, number, okay, and assign the value of it to be the read line, okay. And since it's an integer, because we do not need to enter anything, just numbers, okay, so I'm gonna type make it int, and of course we are gonna get this error. So I'm gonna convert it to an integer and create another variable. I'm gonna name it, for example, number 2 or whatever. Well, of course should be always int, okay, because we expecting to from the user to enter numbers, okay. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna assign the value of it to be the read line to int. Simple as that. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create variable that will hold the result between two numbers. So I'm gonna make it var, let's call it result or whatever, okay. I'm gonna assign the value of it to be number multiplied by number 2, okay. Simple as that. And last but not least, let's print what we get from the result variable, okay. And to make it much nicer than what we have so on, I'm gonna print something for the user enter, for example the first, okay, number, and it will enter something. And here what we can do, we can print another message here where it says enter the second number, okay. And of course he will turn something, then we can print the result here, and I'm gonna say the result is plus it with the result variable that we have. So as you can see, it's really simple program. Let's go ahead and run it. Let's see how it will work, what we are gonna get, and it's really simple. So as you can see, it's asking for the first number. I'm gonna type, let's say 12, enter the second number, let's make it 12 as well, and we should get 144. So as you can see guys, it's really simple program. We have the math operators. Now guys, as you can see, it's for example, you can make it plus or subtraction, whatever you prefer, okay. It's really simple program. Now guys, so if we change it to be plus, so let's see what we get. I'm gonna make it 10, okay, and also 10, we should get 20. Yeah, the result is 20. Now guys, that was our operators, the math operators that we can deal with in Kotlin. Now guys, it maybe does not make very sense for you in this video, especially with math operators, because once we come with Android Studio, we are gonna see how to create a very powerful stuff with the math operators, and you will understand everything once we put it in action with Android Studio. Go ahead guys, for this task this task for this video will be to create a program, okay, that will take the value or the numbers from the users and put them together, whether it's subtraction, whether division, so on and so forth. But instead of put the variables of type int, okay, we want to make it of type another type, which is double. Because guys, if we run our application and let's enter, for example, 12.2, and as you can see we get an error, okay, because as I said, it's expecting to enter an int, that means a whole number, but we entered a double. So your task here to change this program to accepting the decimal values, that means the 3.3 and so on and so forth. So guys, go ahead and start making this application now, and hope you guys will do well with your programming journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are going to continue on in the next video.